What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video we're going to be looking at Flora Mortis by Allsaints. But before we look at the fragrance, if you like the content I make here on YouTube, please consider hitting that big red button down below, subscribing to the channel, and also if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Both of those things help me out immensely. Today I was walking around Priceline with friend of the channel Danny, and she was showing me some of the new fragrances that they got in, both men's and women's lines. One of the fragrances in particular she did show me was the Versace Crystal Noir in the pink bottle. I actually really like the way that one smells. It's fresh, clean, it smells similar to Nordica Classic, although a touch more floral and feminine, but I would consider buying that one just for myself because it smells so good. Anyways, one of the fragrances that we did try on a tester strip was Flora Mortis by Allsaints. I've previously covered Leather Skies before, and that is one of the best fragrances that I've ever smelled. So I'm going to be unboxing this one, and we're going to be giving some more detailed first impressions. So here's the packaging. Really clean and minimal. Big fan of the design here. The plastic seal though is a little disappointing. Very flimsy. But at the end of the day, it is only plastic seal and it's not that important. Yeah, these Allsaints fragrances, I love the design. Sort of marbly, textured cap. And then all of them have different designs on the inside of the sticker that you can see through. Solid, heavy stone material cap. You should be able to see the texture of it here. But let's have a smell. Good atomizer. Flora Mortis is such a unique fragrance. There's a huge amber note here. There's a lot of florals, but there's also a woodiness and a muskiness to it as well. It's the definition, the embodiment of a unisex fragrance. There is a femininity to it, and there is also a masculinity to it. If you're somebody that likes sort of ambiguity, if you're somebody that really likes to blur lines and challenge expectations, then this is going to be the fragrance for you. There is a sweetness to it, there is a muskiness to it. It's a little on the animalic side, but it's also quite clean and quite graceful. It's a fantastic smelling fragrance, and I paid $110 for this one. Off sale, it goes for about $129, so not a huge difference between the full recommended price and then the sale price. But for $110, I don't regret a single dollar that I've spent on this one. I was just finishing off the editing for the Flora Mortis video, and I had a couple more thoughts to share. One is that if you are a fan of Bulgari Man in Black or Viktor & Rolf Spice Bomb, this is absolutely worth checking out. This is exactly like those scents, except that replace the tobacco notes with floral notes, and you've got a pretty good idea of what it smells like. It's much more unisex, a little more feminine, more floral than Spice Bomb, but it's definitely in the same sort of field as those fragrances. So if you like those scents, you'll probably like this one as well. Just thought I'd add that because I think it's important to make a note of. The fragrance is incredible, and it does share some similarities with Leather Skies as well. Just replace the leathery notes with some muskiness and some clean suede sort of notes too. It smells absolutely incredible. It's the embodiment of a unisex scent, and I reckon that this is pretty versatile as well. You're going to be able to pull it off in winter, and you're going to be able to pull it off in summer. Perhaps not high heat situations, but everything aside from that, you're going to be able to make this work. Highly recommend it, and as far as first impressions go, it doesn't get much better than this. This is, in my opinion, a 10 out of 10 scent, and so far I'm giving it a 10. If you've ever worn an Allsaints fragrance before, let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.